part 2. So this is for the heart. It's a combination of kidney bladder energy, which is fear and anxiety that ends up creating heart anxiety, heart imbalances. And once again, the last year, almost every time I go to work on the heart for someone energetically, for a client, I can just feel that heaviness. I can feel that terror. I can feel that pain that's going on around the world at the moment. So we're still in a time of crisis, and that's okay. We'll all get through it. So let's do this and have a fabulous day. I've only got a few minutes, so enjoy. So I'm going to use the heart meridian on myself, and then I'm going to use the heart chakra on the rose quartz. Rose quartz is one of those things that helps to increase heart energy. Okay, so on that central meridian. Run that central meridian anti-clockwise over the heart. Anti-clockwise over the heart. Okay. So the flower essence that tested up was agave. So agave desert flower. And I'll need my glasses for this one. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively transcend my inhibiting fears, which hold back my gifts, abilities, power, and trust into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively develop all aspects of myself and manifest inner strength in my daily life. I take responsibility for my attitudes and now choose to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively dissolve my inhibiting fears which hold back my gifts, abilities, power, and trust, my fear of moving out into public view with my talents and gifts, into all-encompassing love. I make the commitment to kindly, gently, lovingly, and supportively develop all aspects of myself and manifest inner strength in my daily life. So, breathing in, breathing out all negativity. Breathing in positive energy, breathing out negativity. Breathing in feel-good hormones, breathing out negative energy. Release, release, release. So the heart meridian starts under here, runs down to the ring finger. Heart runs to the ring finger. Beautiful. Thanks everyone. A little shorty. Hope you have a fantastic day.